Hey there, in this video we are going to be making these super easy keto lava cakes. There's no flour, but these cakes are still rich and moist, with a chocolate gooey lava center. Plus with only 2 grams of net carbs, this makes it a delicious low-carb treat. You'll need about 15 minutes, 5 minutes for prep and 10 minutes for cooking. Please take a quick moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more delicious simple keto recipes, which are always easy to make and have a short list of ingredients. Now, let us take a look at the ingredients. You are going to need 4 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons powdered swerve, a half a teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon kosher salt, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream and 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. Okay, now for the instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prep your 2 8-ounce ramekins for the oven by spraying with cooking spray. Grab a medium-sized bowl and mix all the dry ingredients. Use a fork to remove any lumps. Next, beat the eggs in a separate bowl, and then add the heavy cream as well as the pure vanilla extract. Whisk to combine. Take the dry ingredients and slowly add them to the wet ingredients. Mix well to combine, until you have a smooth mixture. Pour half the batter into one of the ramekins, and the other half into the other one. Place them on the middle rack in your oven, and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not overcook, your cakes should be jiggly when done. Congratulations! Remove your keto lava cakes from the oven, and serve immediately. Go ahead, enjoy them guilt-free. With only 2 grams of net carbs per cake, how could you not? Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check out the links in the description box below for my other favorite keto resources.